Ensure that all the jobs are complete as per the job card. Check the chain slackness. Check the vehicle for washing. Push and turn the ignition key to lock position. Ensure that the steering is locked. Check the petrol tank lock. Insert the key in the seat lock. Turn the key and ensure that the seat is unlocked. Now lock the seat and take the key out. Insert the key in ignition switch and start the engine. Check the front axle split pin. It should be in proper direction. Check the rear axle split pin. It should be in proper direction. Check the brake lever operation. Press the front brake lever. Ensure that the brake light glows before braking effects. Press the brake pedal and ensure that the brake light glows before braking effects. Turn the steering from left to right. Ensure the steering movement is smooth. Place vehicle off the ground. Now pressing the front brake lever, push and release the front fork and check for its cushioning. Place the vehicle on the center stand. Push and release rear suspension and check for its cushioning. Check for the working of RPM and fuel meter. Check for indicators operation. Check for working of horn. Check for headlight operation. Check for dimmer switch operation for high beam and low beam. Check for neutral switch operation by putting gear in transmission. Check idle RPM. Check for any abnormal noise. Check the throttle grip free play. Check the clutch lever free play. Now stop the engine. Check the tire pressure by feeling. Check for front brake fluid level. Finally, inspect the vehicle as per the inspection sheet.
this vehicle is ready. Keep the bill ready.
Okay, sir.
So your vehicle is ready. Your total cost is 305 rupees only, which includes engine oil 270 rupees,
Okay.
oil filter 35 rupees.
Okay.
Please pay the bills.
Sure. I have paid the bill.
Okay. Sir, thank you for coming for service here. And before leaving, kindly rate our service, sir.
Sure.
This one is. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Please sign over here. Thank you, sir. Your next service is due on 2nd of February or 3000 kilometers, whichever is earlier.
Sure.
I am putting the reminder over there. Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.